In this video, we're going to talk about how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to your debit card. So if you want to withdraw money here on the official website, we're just going to click on our account name in the top right corner, and you will select request withdrawal here at the very last spot. So if you have any cash in your balance, then you can cash out to your debit card using this method. Now, if you're using the app, you will go and you will click on the menu located in the top left of your Prizepicks app, and then you can use any method which you have used to previously deposit funds into your account. So if you have used a debit card, you can use the same debit card to cash out or request a withdrawal. Afterwards, you will receive a one-time password code by email, and no further action is going to be needed on your part. So you will just click on request withdrawal, and if you need to provide your debit card details, and you can cash out. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.